na ndirikania andu a Murang'a ni twaregire kiama kimwe kana ni kia upinzani kana ni kia thirikari. Katiba yugite gugukorwo na ciama nyingi, twakuretera PLP otore kwi nduka nyingi bau uthiaga kugura iria ukoraga nduka ni nyingi ni irendia iria ni ikendia sukari. Rekio mundu abingure nduka yake endie, andu nimo marimenya nu na twagia na candidate ingi no wega andu ni makathura ona president tutikirugamite andu ingi na guti mundu ukurira mundu uri ungikura ciakio mundu ethere umuthe wabota gukorwo ukioneka wina binya ndweterere rucio na turi okuma kinya curi igwe ni mitu tugikinya ndiruga atiriri twendane na nigu tubote kuthina mbere na njira njega na twitikire gucindana ibenyani riri guti mundu uri bota kwingata ari angi atigweika ni kura ikuugana ni cia mwananchi.
Nake Matha ni erutire gutongoria bururi uyu na njira njega atwaranite na arunake aria mari United Opposition. Ithui twi gatagati ka United Opposition na mutikariganirwo Matha atange convene United Opposition ndegirugama tondu no convener mena Kalonzo Musyoka no conveners.
For many years we know that she has been fighting against corruption and she has been fighting against women that are going through oppression, and she will always look at those vulnerable cases and she will not even charge them in parliament. Mheshimiwa Martha Karua has been my role model. So I urge the women not to look at the wave, but to support our woman, another lady, the Iron Lady, to win this presidential position so that we can change the nation.